So we're here on this job today. The customer's complaining that the radiator has been leaking. As we look closely, as you can see, it's all completely rusted on the top. And when I took it off, you could see on the bottom of it that it was starting to split on the bottom. So we're going to whip this one off and pop a new one on. So first off, connect our hose and drain the system down, like so. Then we're going to undo our valves. This was a little bit tight, so I took the innards out. Lovely bit of fluff behind the rad, as always. Nice. We'll undo the screws to the old brackets so that we can mark up and connect our new ones to the wall. Gave it a little clean for them. Got our first bracket on, nice and level. So we've got our new brackets on now. So now we've popped the rad on, as you can see, perfectly level. Filling up with inhibitor. It was a bit of a pig getting the new valves on, so I couldn't video it. And top the system back up to 1 bar. Bleed all the rads and the job's a good one. Tap Into Plumbers for all your plumbing and heating services.